To peel the cassava and then cut them into smaller sizes. Then you blend them. Once you blend them, then you pour it in a pot. And then, as you see that I'm pouring some of the banku mix in a pot. Then I'm going to mix, I'm going to stir to mix till it becomes thin porridge. Then once I like the consistency, I'm going to add a little salt to its taste. So the next thing I will do is to place it on the stove on a medium heat, and then I'll start mixing. You need to continue to mix. You need to continue to mix. You don't want your porridge to start thickening down. You start to knead the banku. You knead the banku because you don't want no lumps in your banku. So you continue to knead the banku. Like I said, you don't want any lump size in your banku. So you keep kneading for like 5 minutes, and then you add a little water. You only add a little water once you think that your banku is too thick. This is optional. Some people like their banku soft. Me, I like my banku thick. So you can go on, add a little water, stir it, and then cover it to cook for some 2 or 1 minute. Then you come back, then you start to knead it. You continue to knead for as long as you want to make sure that your banku is fully cooked. So once you see that the texture and the color of the banku is changing, you know that your banku is ready. Dish the banku out, and then you are ready to go. Like you see me, I'm ready to, like you see what I'm doing. I'm dishing the banku right now.